we can organize data in a table, right? We can insert tables in Microsoft Word, and we can also use Microsoft Excel to lay data in a tabular form. So, when is it more appropriate to use Word over Excel? Do you want to know when? Then watch and learn till the end of this video. It is common choice that when we need to lay data in a table, we use Microsoft Excel. But MS Word is also capable of laying data in a tabular form. Let us compare the capabilities of each application to determine the criteria in selecting which application to use. First, the maximum number of rows and columns that each can accommodate. Let us first determine the number of columns in Microsoft Excel. Looking at the rightmost column, we can see that there are 16,384 columns, while there are 1,048,576 rows. How about in Microsoft Word? First, let's insert a table. I'm going to type a very large number for the columns. And we can see that we are only allowed to have 63 columns. On the other hand, for the rows, we are allowed to have 32,767. So, that means that Microsoft Excel can accept 17,179,869,184 individual data, while Microsoft Word Table can only support 2,064,321. If you're going to accept enormous amount of data, then use Microsoft Excel. Second is, we all know that when it comes to calculations, Microsoft Excel is the clear choice. But Microsoft Word has some formula in its arsenal that we can use. Let's see. Some functions that you can insert in Microsoft Word tables are sum, average, if, max, min, and count. So, if we are just going to use simple formula, we can also use Microsoft Word. But when it comes to intensive formula, we should opt to use Microsoft Excel. Third, although sorting is available in both applications, filtering is only available in Microsoft Excel. Fourth is, if you want the data to affect the formatting of the table, then Microsoft Excel is the choice, since only it has conditional formatting. One peculiar feature of a table in Microsoft Word is that you can resize the width of a cell without affecting the other cells in its column. Watch. For example, we want to resize the width of this cell. First, select the row where it belongs to, and then you can resize it without affecting the size of the column it belongs to. So based on these differences, let us determine now how to choose where to tabulate data, in Microsoft Word or in Microsoft Excel. First, if your table dimension can fit the bounds of Microsoft Word, you can use it, especially if you only intend to simply present data in a tabular form. Second, if dynamic computation is required, then use Microsoft Excel. This also includes conditional formatting. And lastly, if you want to take advantage of this feature of tables in Microsoft Word, then definitely use Microsoft Word. Or you can just embed Microsoft Excel worksheet in Microsoft Word to combine the power of the two. But that's for the next video. Remember that if you have any question, don't be afraid to comment them down below so I can answer them next time. That's it. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new upload. Till next time, and see you soon.